liking it?
Love it.
Najma.
Very nice. Very chic.
Hi guys, today is the 19th of September and we are in Goa right now. We're here to celebrate Karti's birthday. It's a surprise birthday trip that I planned for him. So we checked into our hotel at around 9 o'clock and the check-in process is not so good. We booked for an executive room and எங்கள் ரூம் வந்து 4th ஃப்ளோரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. they've given us 401 பட் என்னென்னா லிஃப்ட் இஸ் அண்டர் சர்வீஸ். ஸோ 4 ஃப்ளோர்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்டேர்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது விச் we're not okay with. ஏன்னா நிறைய லக்கேஜ் இருக்குது. ஒரு வாட்டி ஸ்டேர்ஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிட்டு வர்றது வந்து இஸ் நாட் feasible for us. ஸோ அது கேட்டிருக்கோம். we've asked them to change and give like a lower floor, இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோர் or second floor preferably கேட்டிருக்கோம். We'll see what they do about that. I feel they could do a little better with the lighting situation because ரொம்ப டார்க்காக இருக்குது ரூம். இங்கே வாஷ்ரூமில் மட்டும்தான் வந்து lighting is slightly better. It's not the best but slightly betterனா இங்கே தான் வாஷ்ரூமில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. I basically wanted access to all the happening places. That's why I booked this hotel. On the basis it's nice but other than that not a great one. இன்னைக்கு எங்கேயுமே போகல because we are very exhausted from the travel and everything else that we did. நான் வந்து I'll talk about that in another vlog. Hyderabadல the place where we are staying at is not in a very good condition right now. So we're a little bummed about it. எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறதுன்னு தெரியல because it's the first time that we have moved out of our parents' house and challenges வர it's difficult for us to like tackle and make do with life. I'll talk more about that in another video because அது வந்து ஒரு பெரிய கதை which I don't want to talk in today's video because this trip is all about Karti's birthday. We're here to celebrate his birthday. We decided to take it a little slow this time. அதனால இன்னைக்கு எங்கேயுமே போகல. Besides 4 floors ஏறி இறங்குறது especially at night we couldn't even think of it. We are too tired for that now. அதனால we thought we'll just sleep today. We called for food from the restaurant below and dinner முடிச்சிட்டோம். We did not plan an itinerary for this trip so I just want to go with the flow. எப்படி போகுதோ போகட்டுங்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கேன் because yeah I don't want to take the stress of having a plan and like trying to stick to the plan. அது வந்து இப்போ டூவபிளாக இருக்குன்னு தோணலை. ஸோ we might go to the beach tomorrow morning or maybe hit the pool. இது ரெண்டுத்தில் ஒன்று பண்ணுவோம் and we're checking out of this room tomorrow. They're going to give us another room in the first or second floor. So அந்த transfers எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு then we'll have to see where to go next. I just want to relax. இந்த ட்ரிப்பில் வந்து I don't want to do anything but just relax and rejuvenate myself so that I know it's going to be a little difficult after we go back to Hyderabad because we need to again set up the house and I also have shoots back to back. October is a very busy month in terms of content. Nariya festivities varanala it's going to be a very busy month. So adukku prep பண்ற மாதிரி இந்த ட்ரிப் இருக்கணுங்கிறது தான் is what I have in mind. And Kartikume I think he needs a break. He's been working too hard so yeah we just want to take it light. Okay so I'm going to quickly do my skincare and hit the bed. So நாளைக்கு continue பண்றேன் because there's nothing much to do after this. வெறும் skincare மட்டும் பண்ணிட்டு I'm going to hit the bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably we'll be doing something better. Yeah I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Okay, that was Karti. He has gone to get some medicines for me. I have a very bad gut apparently and I need to keep that in check. Diet வச்சு தான் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So I'm working on that. Diet and sleep patterns, lifestyle changes எல்லாமே இருக்குது. I am slowly working on all of that. So I want to take today a little easy. So yeah, we slept really well. Actually night சரியாக தூங்கலை. I did not get a lot of sleep last night. நான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் I was feeling uneasy and uncomfortable. அதனால I did not sleep throughout the night. But morning எழுந்து at around 7:30ish I slept. I had a Gelusil and I slept. I slept like a baby. 2 hours tungite and I didn't even know I slept. Morning breakfast for supper was really, really good. They did not have a buffet system today. They had a la carte menu. Set menu vachiranga. Adlanda we could order anything ramari. We really like the food here. I called for idli, of course. Odamu serladappo idli is the best thing to go for. And I had idli, Karthi had uttapam and sambar. We also had choco bowls and a juice, watermelon juice sapto. Everything was really, really good here. I would totally rate the food a 9 on 10 because the taste was good, it was hot and fresh. Ellame nalla irundhathu. So yeah, we just had breakfast and we came back to our room. I just got a call from the reception and they said that there's a room available in the second floor. Yeah, they're here. It's a premium room சொன்னாங்க upgrade பண்ணி தராங்க போல. I need to go check it out. Karthi has gone to get me medicine, so I'll quickly go check that room out. நல்லா இருந்தா we'll switch rooms இப்பவே before we head out. So yeah, I'll take you with me. I just came back after checking out that room. It actually looks very nice. நல்லா இருந்தது. It's an upgrade from this room. We actually booked for an executive room and they're giving a premium upgrade now. So yeah. மூச்சு வாங்குது because I had to climb the stairs. Lift is not working இல்லையா, so stairs தான். I'm feeling a little... I need to catch a break. I think it's better now. Second floorல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. I need to quickly pack my stuff and vacate. Room switch பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் we thought we'll quickly freshen up and go out for lunch. I need to have a vegetarian diet. Anyways, veg தான் சாப்பிடுவேன். It's புரட்டாசி. So பக்கத்தில் என்ன இருக்குங்கிறத பார்த்துட்டு we need to go and have our lunch. We need to figure out what to do next. We really don't know. Plan of action இல்லை. B, I am not well. ரெண்டுமே இருக்கிறனால I don't know how today is going to be like, but I'm going to push through and make it work somehow. வேறு வழி இல்லை because we have come here almost 10 years கழிச்சு வந்திருக்கேன். So I really want to make use of this trip and like explore Goa. We'll see how much we can do. We have 2 days. இன்னைக்கு full day இருக்குது, நாளைக்கு full day இருக்குது. Sunday evening we are leaving to the airport. So we have like 2.5 days left. I need to figure something out. Illana, it's going to be a very boring weekend. I want to check out a beach today and also the Anjuna night market. இது ரெண்டு தான் என் மைண்டில் இருக்குது. Unless we want to check out something else, we might be doing only these for the day. Like evening போயிட்டு Anjuna beach போய் பார்த்துட்டு we want to like relax by the beach. வந்ததே அதுக்கு தான். We do want to check out a beach today. That we know for sure. And அப்படியே பக்கத்தில் வந்து அந்த நைட் மார்க்கெட் இருக்கிறனால I thought we'll explore that as well. கொஞ்சம் ஷாப்பிங்கும் பண்ணலாமேன்னு. Why not? ரீட்டெயில் தெரப்பி மாதிரி இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் ஷாப்பிங்கும் பண்ணலாம். I haven't bought any gifts for Karthi as such for this birthday. இந்த ட்ரிப்பே தான் கிஃப்ட்டு, பட் இந்த ட்ரிப் கூட அவ்வளோ நல்லா போகல so far. I'm a little pissed off at myself for putting us through this because I should have taken care of my health better. But it is what it is, and yeah. I think I'll make it work somehow. Climate is actually very nice. It's not too sunny or humid. It's the perfect weather. Monsoon poitirukku inga, so we were expecting some rains, but it's not really raining right now. Where are we? Arjuna இல்லடா, அஞ்சுனா. got our first ever tattoos. vlog எடுக்கிறதே மறந்துட்டேன்.